Looking to capture gorgeous photos with your phone? This video will show you how to edit those special quick snaps into beautiful, memorable photos. Hi, I'm Rachel from Maison de Pax, designer, photographer, blogger, and mother of 4. Today, I'm going to show you my top 6 tips for editing in Lightroom Mobile. If you've never tried Lightroom Mobile before, be sure to check out the links below for some more resources. For today's video, just know that Lightroom Mobile is my favorite mobile editing app. It is free to download and use, but there are some features that require an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. For this video, I'll be covering 3 tips for the free account and 3 more tips for the paid account. Let's get started. The first step to editing any mobile photo is to apply the right preset. Presets in Lightroom are easy, powerful, quick edits. I offer a set of free Lightroom presets that are linked below, so if you are just beginning with the mobile editing process, I suggest you try those first. If you love them, you might consider my Shakespeare preset bundle as well, with even more variety of editing power. To apply a preset, tap Presets, navigate to your chosen one, then click the checkmark. Just look at the one-click difference a preset can make. Even when you use a perfect preset for a given image, there are often light or color tweaks that can be made to optimize your photo. To adjust for these exposure and white balance differences, you can make quick changes to light and color. To adjust brightness, tap Light, then raise or lower exposure. To tweak color, tap Color, then adjust temp and tint sliders. If you have an Adobe CC subscription, I recommend you straighten your image before cropping. If not, then cropping is your next step. To straighten, tap Geometry, toggle on Constrain Crop, then choose the upright drop-down menu and change from Off to Auto. And that does it for 75% of the images I take on my phone. It brings them from just okay to really bright, crisp, and beautiful. If you have an Adobe CC subscription and would like to take your images a step further, then keep watching. These next 2 tips are higher-level editing tools. They help you correct unevenness and remove imperfections. Selective edits is helpful when an image is too dark in one portion, or when a light is casting an oddly warm glow over just part of the image, or when someone's face is in a shadow. But whatever the cause, a selective edit allows you to adjust just a portion of the picture. To apply a selective edit, tap Selective, tap the plus sign, choose the paintbrush, or my favorite, the circle. Draw on your image where you need the adjustment. Next, you'll choose the area of adjustment from the bottom menu and move the sliders to make the change. In this case, I am lightening just the portion of the image that was in shadow from the pier. Finally, you can remove distractions for a really polished final photo. To remove minor distractions, tap Healing, then tap the spot you want to remove. Then adjust the circles until the correction is pleasing. As you may expect, cropping is pretty self-explanatory. To resize your image, tap Crop, then drag the corners of the rectangle to adjust. And that's it. Let's review. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. For more photography tutorials, as well as DIY and decorating ideas, check out the links below or visit maisondepax.com.